Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how to send email notification when Outscraper task is completed. So whenever a task is completed in Outscraper and the data that is scrapped, you have to send that email notification to any of your team member that the task of scraping that specific data is complete. So here in this automation that we will create using Pabbly Connect, first we will integrate these two applications where our trigger will be the task completed in Outscraper and our action will be to send email via Gmail. Let us learn how to do that. Let us learn that how you can outscrape the data which is email or phone related or even domain related, and whenever the task is complete, then you can send a notification email to any of your team members along with the data that you have scraped. Let us quickly sign in into our account so that we will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided to you by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now, so that we will reach this place where I can see a big blue button on your right side where it's written Create Workflow, and this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Click on that button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Send Email when Outscraper task is completed. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you like you can see on your screen. You will be able to see Trigger and Action, the two major modules of Pabbly Connect on which the whole automation works over here. Before that, I would like to remind you to open your Outscraper account, and whichever way you are going to scrape the information, you have to open that related website as well, so that you can connect these applications to Pabbly Connect and also to cross-check the changes that you're going to make during this workflow. Now, the trigger says when this happens and action says do this, which means that when this application, which is going to be the trigger application, will make the change which triggers this workflow, the action application will perform the assigned action. The trigger over here is going to be Outscraper, because whenever the task that has been started in Outscraper will be complete, so this will trigger the workflow, and the action will be Gmail because we will be sending a mail notification to our team member about the completed task. So let us choose the trigger event for Outscraper, which is on task complete. So this will trigger when a task is completed. Select this event and then you will be provided a webhook URL that will help you to connect Pabbly Connect and Outscraper in such a way that whenever the task is complete, all the data related to that task and also the fetched information, that is the scraped information, will be brought over here as a response. You have to follow these steps to use this webhook URL. So let us learn how to do that. First of all, you have to go to integrations and click on webhook. So let us follow these steps. Come scroll down over here and select integrations. Here you will see in webhook section one URL already existing. So you will delete this. And then you will be copying this webhook URL from your workflow and pasting it in this Outscraper webhook section. And click on this save button and your integration is complete over here. Now you have to create a task as per your requirement, whichever way you need it, and then you have to wait for a few minutes till it is completed. And once it is completed, it will receive the response over here. You can see it is already waiting for a webhook response. So let us go and create a task first of all. I'm going to take email related task over here and we will scrape the emails and contacts. So this is the place where you will create the task. You have to enter a domain or URL of the website from where you want to scrape the email and contacts. And then the file will be chosen. Here you will see the other parameters, which is the result extension. You want the file in which format? You want the JSON format, XLSX is the Google Sheet format, spreadsheet format, and then the Google Docs format. I am opting for the Google Sheet format only. And here I have the domain. So I have opened this website and I want that this website has to be scraped for the email and contact details. I will paste this website over here and then no other changes are supposed to be made. Just click on Get Data. You will get the data like this. It is saying that finish in 10 to 20 minutes. This is the rough estimate. And you have just one query, which means just one website we have entered. Click on Confirm and now the sending task is done over here. Once it is complete, our data will be received in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now see, now it is sent. The data has been sent. When you go back here, see, it came just now and the status says success. This is the user ID for our task. This is the JSON format of our data and this is the XLSS format. So the product name is email and contacts and the quantity is 1 because we entered just one website over here. So let us open this link. I'm going to open this in another page. And here is my spreadsheet. Here, see, this was our query, so you can just stretch it even more. So you will see this query was about this website. Then this is the email address, and this is the complete email address with the full name. And that is how you will have all the details over here. The second email is also here. The data that was there, present over there in our website is fetched right here, which means that our work has been a success. So now let us close this window, because now we will send a notification email that we have scraped the email and contact details from this specific website. So the action event for our action application is to send email. Click on connect and click on add new connection. Now, since Gmail is a Google application, you have to connect it with your Google account. Click on connect with Gmail. Choose your account and click on allow, giving access to Pabbly Connect to send mail via Gmail. Once this connection is successful, you will see that you have to fill in these fields with the recipient email address, sender's name, subject, and all the details, and also the email content over here. So now, what is the email address? You have to enter any team member email address over here. I'm going to put this email address, that is my dummy email address, so that we can check that we will be able to receive a mail or not. Okay, so like this, you will enter the recipient email address of the team member to whom you want to send this notification email. Then sender's name, so you can type over here Outscraper, and then the subject is task completed, and I'm going to map this name over here, which is the title of our product. Alright, this is my subject. Now the email content, we will write that, so I have taken, dear member, your Outscraper task is completed, and here is the file, and you will map this result location of the spreadsheet right here, and enter, and I will put regards, and my mail is complete. Alright, nothing else to be entered over here. Click on save and send test request, and your mail will be sent. See, the response from Gmail says done, and the result status is sent, which means that our mail with these details of the Outscraper task and also the recorded and scraped information is sent to the team member of this email address. Let us close this window and check our Gmail. Have we received the mail or not? And this is my email that I have received. I will open this and see that, dear member, your task is complete, and here's the file. This is the same file and regards, which means that with the help of this workflow, whenever a task is completed, then you do not need to go and check your Outscraper again. It's just that you will receive an email of notification that your task is complete. So this was the whole video. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.